Hey y'all, it's Shanae and I'm back with another video. So today I am trying to get the seeds out of strawberries so I can plant me some strawberries um, to see if something grows. So I have these strawberries that I got from the store. They're going a little bad and the boys haven't eaten them, so I didn't want them to go to waste, and I don't really be making compost right now. I don't do that. So once I learn how to do that, I might just save that as scraps, you know what I'm saying? But for right now, I'm going to try to take the strawberry seeds off the strawberries, and then I'll try to plant them and see what grows. Okay, so we have just a few strawberries that were going bad. So I decided to start peeling the strawberry seeds or the skin off the strawberries with the seeds still intact, as you can see. And then you leave them out on a paper towel so that they dry up. And then you just take your finger and then just remove the seeds like that. So that's the plan for today. I'm going to go ahead and try to skin the rest of this strawberry and the other ones that I have over here and see how many strawberry seeds I can get. If I can grow my own strawberries instead of keep buying them, that'll save me some money and just give me something to do. And I think they would enjoy that, trying something that their mother has grown. So that's the plan. I'm gonna keep peeling these strawberries. And there you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these out and let them dry out. And then I'm going to save this container because this can act as like a greenhouse. I'll just put some soil in there, and it already has like the cuts in it for the water to escape. But this can be like the jugs in seed sowing. So I could use this as like a greenhouse and help keep some seedlings covered and, you know, getting the elements of the weather outside during this time, but that can be useful as well. So we're going to let this dry out for a day or a few hours to a day. I think I might just go ahead and leave it out for a day and make sure that it's super dry, so when I go to rub the seeds out, it'll just come right on out and I can just grab them and do what I need to do. Okay, I'll check back in soon. Bye. Okay, so it's been a day. They are pretty much dried, and what I want to do is just like kind of rub my finger and get the seeds off, but I've been rubbing them on this aluminum foil so I can see them a little better. Can you hear them? So it's been a day and they've been sitting out on this paper towel, and now I'm just rubbing the seeds off onto the aluminum foil. And then these are the seeds that I rubbed off of the strawberries as much as I could. Some of them were still a little soft, but I got as much as I could off, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in dirt and see what happens. So these are the seeds that I was able to get from the strawberries. So I'm going to use those and just sprinkle them into the container with my soil mix. And then I'm just going to sit them right on top. I'm not going to sow them deep down because they're tiny seeds, and I think they are just sit on top of the soil. So we're going to see what happens. Thanks for watching.